Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, and today's topic is something which I really wanted to talk about for so long because I feel it is a big taboo in the book industry or the book business is audio books. Yes, I've said those two words, audio books. Audio books are also books. E-books are also books. And there, I said it. Okay, so first up, what is an audiobook? An audiobook is actually a book which has been narrated by a specific person, and you can hear to that. You can hear the story, and instead of reading it, that is what an audiobook is. Audiobooks can be accessed in various ways. There are paid versions as well as unpaid ones. You can use the already available apps in the market, that's Audible and Storytel, or you could download audiobooks off the internet like we download ebooks. Yes, that's possible. Of course, the resources for it are still very much less, but it's possible. Now, if you are a beginner and you don't know if you should start listening to audiobooks or where should you try your hand, like straight away do you need to pay these people and like you will be losing money, what if you don't like it, blah blah blah, lots of questions. Let's begin right here. So first up, why you should listen to audiobooks. You can't read books all the time, meaning that while you're driving, while you're on the way, or while you're working out, or while you're cooking, while you're working, sometimes you can't read books in such scenarios. Or while you're like you don't want to like you're suppose for example, for me, I share my room with my sister. So sometimes when she goes to sleep early, I have to switch off the light for her, and in that scenario either I have to read an ebook or listen to an audiobook because a physical copy can't be read in darkness, right? So usually I prefer to put in my earphones and start listening to an audiobook because that actually helps resting my eyes a lot. With all of the screen time that we guys have, like all the people on this universe have, especially because of lockdown, being at home, being on our laptops if we are working from home, and smartphones are a huge addiction at the moment. So all of these reasons really push us towards audiobooks, because audiobooks first of all gives you like aankhon ko sukoon. Then you can actually listen to books at any point of time, and thirdly, it genuinely increases concentration, and this is coming from a person, me, who has the concentration of a teaspoon, and it has increased so much since last year. That is when I started listening to audiobooks. So you can listen to audiobooks in your normal inbuilt phone's app, that is your music app. You can listen to audiobooks if you have Google Play Books or Apple Books or Kindle's e-reader. I think for India and for some more countries, it has not been updated and we can't listen to audiobooks on the Kindle app. So I'm not very sure of that, but other than that, on your Apple Books app, on your inbuilt phones app, on Google Play Books app, you can listen to audiobooks. Now, how do you listen to it? You can simply download audiobooks off the internet. The resources, of course, are very less as of now because it's a booming industry. So it's not really easy to get audiobooks off the internet that easily, since not every book has an audiobook, right? So that is one way. So also there are a lot of websites which I can't name because obviously they are not exactly legal, but from where you download your ebooks, you can download audiobooks as well. So that's there. Now another way to hear to audiobooks without having to pay. Yeah, that's the highlight. Now, how do you listen to audiobooks without having to pay and without downloading them off the internet illegally? Okay, so first up is there are these two beautiful apps named Audible and Storytel. They have free 30-day trials. If not 30-day, I think for Storytel there is for lesser number of days. But there is a trial period in which you don't have to pay a single penny to listen to any audiobook. There are Audible and for Storytel, all you have to do is sign up. For Audible, I do have my own personal link through which if you sign up, you get a 30-day free trial period. Otherwise, you get a lesser number of trial periods, I think. And I did have the same link for Storytel as well. I'll just check and see if it's still working. If it is, then I'll link it down below. If it's not, then you can just download the Storytel or Audible app and you can just sign up. One thing which you will have to do, and I want to make sure that you know about, is that you have to give a card detail in order to start an account. But that's alright, since no money will be deducted for the first month or for the trial period. So you have to be cautious that once you sign up on these apps, you give your card details, no money will be deducted for the trial period, but you have to be cautious that as soon as the trial period ends, you have to remove your card details, otherwise the money will get deducted automatically for the next month's subscription, which has happened with me for both the apps, and I did not want that to happen, but it did happen and my money got deducted. So that's the sad part. But you make sure you cancel your subscription if you don't want to listen to audiobooks anymore. Other than that, so when you sign up for the trial period, you get credit points. Audible, I think, has the feature of exchanging books as well. Like once you've bought a book and you've heard the book, then you can exchange it for another book. And both the apps have a huge variety of books which you can listen to. How do you choose which book to listen to, and how do you know the narration is good or not? So the amazing thing available in these apps, if you are downloading books on their credit points or on a free trial, if you have limited number of books you can listen to, there's a sample available, so you can listen to the sample, and there are reviews of previous users who have heard the audiobook, so you can rely on them if the narration is good or not, since not every book's narration is something that you can get a hang of. Same has been with me. So make sure you listen to the sample of the audiobook available and you read the user reviews. Only then you go ahead and download or use your credit points to listen to the book. Other than that, what I have been doing, I got some like scratch card points from Google Pay and all of that for Audible. 3 credits, 2 credits, that's brilliant because each credit means you can get 1 book. And they have a vast variety of, and especially the best part is they have new releases, so that's absolutely amazing. One precaution was that you make sure you remove your card details before your trial ends, because there will be automatic deduction of money for the next 1 month. If you don't want to continue with the subscription, the money will be lost, so you will have to end up buying a book. Second precaution I would like to tell you, make sure you're adjusting the narration speed. Like for me, the average, like the regular narration speed is 1, right? But I get bored and get lost while listening to a book at the speed of 1. So after lots of trial and error, the speed which I have come to and I know I can concentrate on is 1.7x. So that's my listening concentration speed. That's the speed I can concentrate on in an audiobook. So make sure you find yours as well, because it's very important. And every audiobook it's a new experience, so you won't get used to it in the very first try, let me tell you that. So you will have to listen to at least 2 books before you give it up, or before you say it's amazing. Well, if you have any other questions about audiobooks, then make sure you comment them down below and I will reply to it, and I will help you as much as I can, because I think audiobook is a great, brilliant thing which we have not yet accepted that much. And yeah, that's all. Enjoy the video. If you did, don't forget to subscribe and give it a thumbs up, and maybe share it with those who need to know how to use or how to start listening to an audiobook. Bye.